Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make white chocolate chip eggnog cookies. Okay, let's start off with our ingredients. First, you need 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour, a half a teaspoon of salt, a half a teaspoon of baking soda, a half a teaspoon of baking powder, 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of nutmeg, a half a cup of butter at room temperature, 3/4 cup of granulated sugar, a half cup of a light brown sugar, and you want that packed, a half cup of eggnog at room temperature, 1 egg, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and 1 cup of white chocolate chips. And then since it's almost Christmas, I thought I would decorate them with some red and green sanding sugar. So that's all we need for our cookies. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, now in a large bowl, we're going to combine the flour, salt, baking soda, baking powder, ground cinnamon, and nutmeg. And I'm just going to stir that with the whisk to combine and then set it to the side. Okay, that looks good, so just set that to the side. Now in a large bowl, we're going to cream together the butter, brown sugar, and granulated sugar until it's light and fluffy, about 2 minutes. All right, that looks pretty good to me. So next we are going to beat in our vanilla extract, and then we're going to beat in our egg, and then we're going to beat in our eggnog and just mix those two combined. All right, now we're going to slowly beat in the flour mixture about a half cup at a time until combined. All right, all of my dough is combined and it is pretty thick and sticky. So next we are going to fold in our 1 cup of white chocolate chips. All right, my white chocolate chips have been folded in. So now comes the time that I don't like. We have to refrigerate this for 24 hours. I'm just going to cover mine with parchment paper and stick it in the fridge. If you decide to refrigerate it for shorter, like maybe an hour, they'll still work. They just won't be puffy. They'll just be flatter and chewier. So I'm going to try to go ahead and refrigerate mine overnight. All right, I just got my cookie dough out of the refrigerator. I did actually wait 24 hours. Go me. I preheated my oven to 350 and I lined a cookie sheet with parchment paper. And now I have a cookie scoop that I'm going to spray with cooking spray and then get the dough out. All right, my first batch is ready to go into the oven. I just got mine out with the cookie scoop, and it is very hard because it just came out of the refrigerator. You could let it soften up a bit, but I couldn't wait. Then I just poured some of my green and red sanding sugar on a plate so it mixed together. Sprayed my hands with cooking spray, rolled these into a ball, and then just rolled them around the sanding sugar. So now I'm going to get this batch into the oven for 14 minutes. Okay, my first batch just came out of the oven, and I don't know if you can see how poofy they are. I love it. I don't know if they'll stay that way, but we'll see. So I'm going to let these cool about 2 minutes or so on my pan, and then I'm going to move them to a cooling rack and get my second batch in the oven. All right, all of my cookies are out of the oven, and they cooled, and they do kind of go down a little, but they're still pretty puffy. And if you do not want to use the sprinkles, you definitely don't have to. So I was able to get 28 cookies total, and mine are different sizes. Some are bigger, some are smaller, but I am really happy with the way they turned out, and we will see what Taste Tester thinks. Hey, Taste Tester.
Hi.
Have a little taste.
Okay. Yeah, no, for Mom, that's good.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
All right, everyone, come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Subscribe.
Merry Christmas.